And with that being said, man, yeah, I gotta make it work, bro. So this is my idea, right? Since I be on YouTube so much, bro, like man, too much. Feel me? I had to make it work, bro. I had to use it. Feel me? And I came up with the idea just to just show my life, bro. Feel me? Married, father of 5, cut him a serve. Feel me? Show that. Just my life, period, bro. You know what I mean? Spiritually, all that. Feel me? And that's my contribution. I notice about the YouTube, like a lot of people don't watch YouTube. Feel me? Because YouTube is like TV. Feel me? It's pretty much TV. And yeah, man. I'm funny things happen in my life, so I just decided, man, let me go ahead and show it, feel me? I've been procrastinating about dropping video because, I also know what comes with this, feel me? People, 100 people might just watch this and that's it. But that's okay because I'm gonna continue to do what I do, which is writing, feel me? And also, just putting these videos out, you feel me? And Charleston White made me think of that, bro. Think about it. Like, you have the ability to put out content. Like, you have the ability to like, you can drop a video anytime and all the time, you feel me? And I noticed what he doing. He dropping videos. I noticed something, like when he go on the interview, he ain't always out of pocket, but when he on his own jump, he always out of pocket. He always out of pocket, right? So I was thinking to myself, like, even that situation aside, there are other things that's going on in the world. Feel me? Like a lot of different stuff going on in the world. People won't know about it or won't ever know about it. Feel me? But your voice is important. Like, for me, writing, like that's why I love to write, because that's my voice. Like, that's written, meaning that's gonna become history, and it's gonna be forever. Feel me? So, and that's something I'm gonna get back to, writing more. Feel me? Because I love to write, man. That's me. But yeah, so I just want to go ahead and talk about some of the things that, feel me, like my spirit, like I feel like talking about. There are times throughout my day where, I like my spirit, I can hear, but my spirit is saying, you feel me? Like, you can hear and you can feel it. It's kind of weird, but it ain't though. So yeah, and I've also decided to trust the spirit, bro, and just do what my spirit instructs me. You feel me? So whatever that is, whatever that entails, that's what I'm doing. Like, that's just what it is. So by doing that, you feel me? By doing that, that's the perfect will of God. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Got that. But yeah, man, so just doing that. I see I had got me some more headphones. The black ones, but no more. Them guys broke on me, man. Yeah. But all good. Got these. These are not bad. But yeah, man. So what else? What else? I'm not gonna leave it like that, cause me, like, the way I feel, bro, I record all day. You know what I'm talking about? Or at least as much as I can, you feel me? Like, it's like, I'm done. I'm done with the rat race, bro. Cause see, I know my potential, you feel me? And since I like writing, I'm about to get online and see who got some jobs, what's some gigs. I can write, bro. You feel me? Straight up. That's where I'm at now. Trying to use my God-given talents. Yeah. Customer service too, and that really what these videos gonna be about, man. Speaking customer service and how that's important and like how everybody got to have it, bro. You feel me? No matter what you're doing in life, you got to have some customer service, dog. Most of the time. You might not have to use it every day, but you feel me? At some point you gonna have to use it, bro. Straight up. And that's why I hold high in regard what I do as far as customer service, because I know what it means, bro. You feel me? Like, I know what they're saying. See, I ain't no degrees for customer service. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. I just thought about that, bro. I ain't no degree for customer service. And customer service is somebody to being their best. Like, nah, bro. How come? Think about that. How come? How come there aren't degrees for customer service? It should be a master of customer service degree, nigga. Straight up. Straight up. That's what it should be. A master or a doctorate of customer service, bro. Should be. Straight up. So, but yeah, man, just me talking, man. Feel me? Stuff like that. Just me talking, bro. Because, man, I'm intelligent enough to describe how I feel, bro. That deep said, man, I'm intelligent enough to describe how I feel. All right, now you take it easy. I'm intelligent enough to describe how I feel, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, at the time, like, I'm gonna tell you about like all that, how I feel about that, right? Like, you won't hold a child to the same standard as playing videos or getting super alcohol. You feel me? Like, that's crazy, man. That's, and according to God, man, God ain't cool with none of that, man. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Like, y'all know Sodom and Gomorrah. It was destroyed, bro. You feel me? And thank God for Jesus. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. God went with it. I ain't gonna get into so much of the spiritual stuff because, like, I mean, I will later, or sometime, but like right now in my life, I'm experiencing something, and I'm experiencing something supernatural. Feel me? So it's time to tap into that, whatever that is. And so far, the way I understand it is my spirit. Feel me? It's of God. So, yeah, man. It's time to tap into that. And you know, I believe that I am what I am because of Most High, man. Because that was a point in my life where things was all going all completely wrong, right? It was going all wrong, all bad, right? But the messages that I was receiving were to just continue on your path. You know, things are getting better. You know, you're storing blessings for the future. So when the future came, which is now, I see that it was, that's exactly what happened. But that's exactly what happened. God blessed me with everything that I could want. Feel me? Everything that I actually desired. You know what I'm saying? God blessed me with it. Feel me? So from the jump, you know, I'm already I'm grateful. I'm appreciative of that. So that's my confirmation. That's my testimony to know, okay, God's real. Let's go. You feel me? Just like that. Just like that. And I would have never thought, although I had faith, and that's deep. Feel me? That's why I named my children Hope and Faith, because, bruh, that's what I had. You know, that you know, I would have like my whole family, and that's what happened. Feel me? So, but you know, I had to keep that faith to just know, you feel me? God will make do on His promise. He did. So that's it. Like that at that point, that's when I was like, okay, you know what? Yeah, man. All right, God, I'm looking for you. What's up? What we need to do? And here we are. Making these videos. I know I'm supposed to be making these videos. And just talking, bro. It ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? Wow. It's just you seeing me, you seeing my life. You feel what I'm saying? This is what it is, bro. Like, and I know it's gonna be beautiful. You feel me? It's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna get to see, you know, what it looks like, what family looks like, what love looks like. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna say, but yeah, you're gonna be able to see it though. So yeah, man. And I know, you know, I'll be able to see my growth through this. You feel me? I'll be able to see my growth. You know, this is kind of like my journal, bro. It's so funny because I write journals too. So this like my video journal. I was talking to my dad about it, and he was like, "Yeah, do it. It makes sense." I think like back then it was more so, you know, the pressure, or, you know, you open up the live, or, you know, like, I'm gonna give you an example. If, you know, if this thing and see, that's another thing too. See, I don't know no timelines. This may not blow up just like tomorrow type, you know what I'm saying? So it may be time. My kids may have grown by then. So that's that's why it also makes sense. But I was thinking about, what I'm saying, children becoming celebrities, bro. Like that, that to me, that's kind of like not fair and not really having a childhood like that. But I know when the time comes, it's gonna be something that they can decide if that's what they want to do. I already know, man. I'm telling you, I see it, and it's beautiful because this is the beginning. This video right here, bro. Shout out to All American Tax Credit Advisor. Straight up. This is it, bro. Yeah, man. Today my brother's birthday. Yeah. Turning 36. Yeah, 36. 36. I mean, no, I'm tripping. I'm 36. Tripping. 39. Turning 39. So I called him earlier, but we ain't talked long, but I wanted to talk though. And that's just how I was feeling. I want to talk though. There's a lot of stuff like sports, you know what I mean? Politics, anything, bro. I just wanted to talk more. Started to ask him, was he busy or something? Like that. I started fooling with y'all. Died. Rest in peace, Darnell. He died. My condolences went out to their family. My auntie Hank, and my uncle Twin, Carnell. That's another thing, like, that made me say, you know what, bro? I gotta do this, man. I gotta do this. Because this is my part. Feel me? Like, this is my part to do. Because I'm equipped to do something. Feel me? I can get in front of the camera, or, I can speak. You know what be funny though? What be getting me though? What I need to work on is when I put in the description and the title. Like a lot of times I don't have a title so long, but I end up not doing the video, bro. And now I challenge myself. Now I drop the video, bro. Drop the video, man. They need to know. They need to know, man. You feel me? Speaking of that customer service, man, I try in some of my videos have some situations that I've experienced at work, man. How sometimes customers can be inconsiderate, man. Just don't care and selfish. I said that before. Let me tell you something, customers can get so selfish. I said this in, I forget what video it was in, but it was probably a Snap. But customers will get so selfish to where they'll be like, well, okay, my truck broke down today, but you can just take somebody else's off another truck and deliver mine. I'd be like, what? we don't need to do that, bro. Like, how, I'm appalled she hit me with it. Like, man, we're whole business for real. Like, wait, come on, bro. What you think this is? But, oh, another situation I had is when somebody tried to hit me with, well, yeah, we're a company, you know, we purchase from Home Depot all the time. So we should be able to get, no, what she say? Oh, yeah. She said, yeah, we're a business, right? So I was like, all right, so you a business, so you understand policies and procedures, bro. This the first 48, man. You gotta let us know in the first 48. That's it. And that's crazy, bro. First 48 people from Home Depot know what it is. Oh, and see, this is another conversation I wanted to have. If you really think about it, bro, these jobs, these careers, these companies these people work for, bro, they're in the game, bro. These are games, bro. Straight up. I'm telling you, bro. You can't just tell me online. Tell me online, bro. Feel me? If somebody work for a company, man, they might go hard for their company, or they don't let you talk about their company, or, man, it's crazy, bro. But, and imagine the good companies, though. Imagine the companies that really take care of their people. No, bro, you're not finna say nothing bad about that company, bro. It's not happening, man. It's not happening. If our people can get on something like that, you gotta be gang activity, but if we can get that type of mindset with our companies, meaning that companies we create, because that's the change of the guard, man. We about to start creating our own stuff, bro. That's it right there. We just do our own thing. We'll support each other. I believe we will. Eventually, man. When people start seeing that these other companies and these other places they don't care about them, I'm telling you, it's a game changer, man. You feel me? I don't care what type of place it is. If they got what I need and it's owned by us, I'm going there first. And that's not no racist. That's not no that's just economics as far as building our community. Fuck that. I don't care. Look, I don't care what nobody say. I'm shopping with us. That's it, bro. That's it. And to be real with you, I probably should put more of an effort, but shit, it's scarce though. See what I'm saying? Right now it's really scarce. But no, we need a unity. Like, we need some type of union saying, look, this company is by us, stamped. That's it, bro. That's all we need. And yeah, I'll be damn I make it. That's it, man. That's all we need. If you certified by us, then get what? There you go. But it goes back to what I was saying the other time, as far as, but we don't know who we are. We don't know who we are. But we all know we some niggas though. We know that. That's the crazy part of the whole thing. Like, you don't know who you are, but you know you're a nigga though. And that's not no disrespectful shit. Like, come on, don't hit me with bullshit. Like, y'all know what I'm saying, bro. Especially if you're a nigga. If you're a nigga, you can't not agree with me. You see what I'm saying? Straight up. And see, for something like this to go viral or take off, for people to, like, you feel me, really latch on to this, why would I say? Everybody who ain't a nigga gonna have a opinion, bro. Straight up. Feel me? Straight up. And see, like, dang, boy, that's real cool. And see, something on my spirit now. Run that nigga, man. Run the word. Run the word. Just run it, bro. Feel me? Run it up. Nigga this, nigga that, nigga that. You hear nigga so much that we gon' like, if we don't find another word, then we gonna come up with another word. You see what I'm saying? Or a way to identify us. I'm telling you, bro. And it could be Nietzsche. You feel me? I'm telling you, bro. I might have to go nigga just for to go Nietzsche, bro. God, that's deep, boy. That's a bar, cuz. Listen to me, man. I might have to go nigga so we can go Nietzsche. Straight up. That's why, man. Right there. Why I gotta do these videos, man. Straight up. Talk to the people, man. So, feel me? And that's fun. I was thinking about my subscriber, like, feel me? Regardless of why these folk subscribe, bro, they subscribe. So get what? Man, I'm gonna give you something, man. Feel me? It's time to put my gift out there, man. It's time to put their love out there, man. Feel me? Straight up. That's what I'm pushing. Pushing love, man. My nigga love. Feel me? You my nigga love. Like, straight up. I can see it now, the backlash and all that. Then we go Nietzsche. Alright, then we ain't niggas, then we Nietzsche's. Everybody agree? Everybody agree? If y'all don't want to be a nigga, then you gotta be a Nietzsche, bro. Don't worry, they the same thing. They the same thing. But you got to be one, man. You can't not be one. Feel me? And if you not one, then you not one, bro. Period. Point blank period, cuz. Like, come on, man. Yeah, man. And me, man, went for DeAndre. You know, my mama named me DeAndre, bruh. My E got a hyphen in it, cuz. Different, man. I already, nigga from the name, cuz. DeAndre Marquez. That's what my mama named me, nigga. Straight up. Feel me? Straight up. My mama needs you. But yeah, man. Went for DeAndre Marquez to Dre, you feel me? To Dre Da Vinci. DeAndre, man. From Atlanta, you know. Born here, raised here, you know. I always say it's something special about the people here, man. I always say that, you feel me? And that's not like no bias stuff. I mean, literally special. So, you know, I just got to do, you know, show my specialness. But yeah, man, it been real though. Yeah, boy. We finally got one, man. We gonna go on and drop them. Ain't gonna do no edits. Drop it live. Live with no jive. Back again. D.R.E. You know what that means? Ooh, yeah, boy. All right, we out.